All right, so this is going to be the that I have made so far is the Coffin handbag wallet. I have already made the entire, well, not entire, but part of the gossip. I have done 3 panels right now, and so the side panels and the 2 liners and 2 accents. So as you can see, I also have the lining and that, right? This is going to be the coffin panels, so it's going to be this lining, 4 of those. And now the trickier part is getting the bottom one in, right? So what you want to do is make sure that you are looking at the right side, so you have it's not like this, right? It's like this. Make sure that they're all set correctly. And as far as the bottom gossip, I'm sorry, the bottom panel, go. You're facing it right size together. This is a waterproof, so I'm doing waterproof on the bottom. That's why it's not matching with this. All right, so it's right size together on both. Clip it. Now you are going to sew a 3/8. Let me see. Yeah, 3/8. Or a little bit less, and I'll be right back. Okay. Yep, 3/8. I'll turn it. Alright. Sew that already. Okay. Now flip it like you do on anything. Don't top stitch yet. So you're just gonna leave it like that, press both, right? And then you're gonna take and do the same thing on the other side, right? So you want to face it right sides together. So I just have the bottom panel and the side panels right sides together. Let's pin it for now. Okay, and then now you gotta do the right sides to right sides together. So what you do is you take this one, make sure that you kind of hide this, right? So that way it's not in your way. Make sure that it's on the other side, right sides together. So let's do that again so you can see. So you did this one, you did not top stitch at all. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take the bottom one, you're gonna do right sides together. On this one, you're gonna take this one and move it all the way here. Make sure that you hide this so that way it's not on the way. And right sides together. That's why you pin it first, but I didn't feel like that. Let me put some pins in so it helps keep it together. And then let's do that again. Make sure this is kind of tucked in. So as long as you can reach the other side right sides together, you're good. So right sides together, pin it here, and the other side too. And here. So that's what it looks like. Now going to the machine, coming back so I can show you the end results. Then we can top stitch. dimension and your length, if you're using vinyl, is correct. So that way you don't have problems with skipping stitches. So here's one side, the other side, right? So now let's look. We haven't top stitched yet, remember? No top stitch just yet. Okay, so here we go. We have both there. Right now you have it this direction. So if you can see, there's always gonna be, I have tried this already, see if I can top stitch this direction where you have them both looking out. So I'm gonna try that and see how that goes. Hopefully it should be good. Last time I did it, I just let it go the way it wanted, so like this. You can also do it that way. I'm afraid that if I do it the other direction, then it's going to pull too much of that, and then it's not gonna. So I'm just gonna go ahead and sew and top stitch here the way that it wants to go. Okay, be right back. The other side now. Remember to back stitch. So if you see, this side is on the top right there, this top stitch on this side. If you make this, you won't even be able to tell at all. So then the next thing you got to do is find all of the corners, so that way it matches with all of these corners, right? So here's the exterior. We're going to this sides together on the top here, cut, same side, and snip that corner there. Then you take the corners and supposed to cut this one too, so let's just do it now, corner to corner, so we know what the middle is on this guy here. Okay. Corner to corner. Alright, now we're good. So now just take the little corner that you see here and you're gonna match it with this corner right here, like that. Okay, same thing on the other side, and just put a little clip so that way it doesn't move. You don't want it to move, so that way you get it perfect, and you want perfect, right? Or try. So extend it all the way and clip, and the other side. Same thing on the other side. Just spending a little bit of time kind of doing this stuff actually helps you a whole lot on your construction. So now you have 4 corners. You have those 2 corners right here, and you have the little corners on the sides. Okay, so let's do the same thing on the panels. So you have a panel here, right? And what you want to do is you want to from corner to corner, you're going to cut here, cut here. Those are for the sides, remember? The sides right here. And then you're going to do this here. On the bottom, because you're going to use that for the bottom piece. Okay, so you have one here, you have one here, and you have one here. Okay, so that's your corners. So I'm going to do all the other ones and come back and start the construction so you can see it. Actually, I'm just going to start the construction now and then do the rest later so you can see. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to match the middle with, I'm going to turn this around this way, right? And you're going to match right here, one with that, right? Just gonna do one because I need to do the zipper and all of that, so I'm just gonna do the back one for this. So matching corner to corner, then match the bottom. Let me get more clips. Bottom to bottom, right? And then the sides, sides to side. This is going to work perfectly if you do it this way. Sides to side right there, see it? And then you put it all together. You stretch like that, and you know how everything works there. The corners I leave for the end. So I just match the sides of it, how it's supposed to go. There, there. Side corners there. Side, see, leave the corner. We can adjust the corner after. Stretch, make sure that corner to corner matches. Corner right there. I'm doing the corner right now. So you just, and you see, it just fits perfectly. Same thing on that side. Do the sides first, so that way you have all the extra that you need for that corner piece. Because the corners are really what's making that awesome shoulder bag. Or this one's going to be a crossbody anyway, so. Here's the corners, so they fit perfect there. So all you got to do is put the little, really, if you need to adjust, you can adjust and then clip, clip. Same thing here, see the corner? It just matches perfectly there. Okay, and you want to Flip it there. Flip it there. This one right here. Then you sew it at a 3/8, right? So sew it all around. I usually do it twice, one next to the other, so that way when I flip it over, you don't see pretty much the stitches. And once you're done, it's, you know, it will definitely look straight, very badass. I made one already, and this is the end result of doing it exactly how I just showed you. Bottom, there's the bottom. See that? I hope you enjoyed the video.